Now students, as you know, we are doing operations of fractional number, and as you know, operations are subtraction, addition, multiplication and division. Subtraction and addition we have done. Now our next topic is multiplication of rational number. Student, this multiplication of rational number we are going to start today, and this will help you to complete exercise 4.4. Okay students? Students, now if P upon Q and R upon S are two rational numbers, then their product means multiplication will be P upon Q multiply R upon S. It will be P multiply R upside, then Q multiply S downside. And you also can say product of numerators and product of denominators. So students, suppose for example you have taken 2 upon 3 multiply 1 upon 4. Okay students, so it will be 2 multiply by 1 and 3 multiply by 4, and your answer will be 2 upon 12. So like this students, you can do the multiplication of rational numbers. Now student, exercise 4.4 question number 1 we are discussing. Students, now question number 1 of exercise 4.4, this is multiply. Two parts we will solve here. First part, 2 upon 7 multiply 3 upon 5. So again what we will do, multiplication of numerators or product of numerators, then downside product of denominators. So students, upside 2 multiply by 3 it will be 6, downside 7 multiply by 5 it will be 35. So students, your answer will be 6 upon 35. Now students, part second, 17 upon 35 multiply 5 upon 17. In this question students, you can use cutting method also. Here students, 2 upon 7, 3 upon 5 we cannot cut because 5 is not coming in 2's table and 5 is not coming in 3's table, and 7 also. But there you can see 17 and 17 we can cut. 17 ones are 1, 70 ones are 1. Now 17 ones are 17. Now this 35 we can cut by the 5 7 times. Okay students? Student, now here 17 ones are 17 I have cut it, and 5 sevens are 35. Now upside is student 1 and downside what is there? 7, because 1 multiply 1 will 1 and 7 multiply 1 will be 7. So 1 upon 7 will be your answer. Now students, question number 2. Students, now question number second is simplify. Here three rational numbers are given. First, 15 upon 24 multiply minus 3 upon 5 multiply 12 upon 7. So here students, what we will do, 15 upon 24, then minus 3 upon 5, then 12 upon 7. First of all, we will check, can we use here cutting method? If yes, then first of all we will use that cutting method. 5 ones are 5, 5 threes are 15. This 24 you can cut with 3 or you can cut with 12 also, because 24 is coming in 3 stable and 12 stable both. So 12 ones are 12, 12 twos are 24. Now upside is student, now we cannot cut. So 3 multiply minus 3 multiply 1. Downside is students 2 multiply 1 multiply 7. Then what will be your answer? Minus 9 upon 14, because 3 threes are 9. Multiply 1 9, then minus sign will be as it is. 2 multiply 1 2, then 2 multiply 7 14. Now second part. Students, now part second, 25 multiply minus 9 upon 5 multiply 30 upon 18. Then here 25, then again you will write minus 9 upon 5, then 30 multiply by 18. Students, here again we will use cutting method. 25 upon 1 we can write. So here students, 5 ones are 5, 5 fives are 35. 30 upon 18, 9 can cut 18. So 9 ones are 9, minus will be same, 9 twos are 18. Now students, 5 multiply minus 1 multiply 30, downside 1 multiply 1 multiply 2. Students, here 2 also can cut 3, 30 by 15 time. Now I am going to multiply here directly. 5 multiply 15, 5 15s are 75. Then downside students, what will come? Only 1. Okay, and this minus sign will come as it is. So no need to write 1 as denominator. Your final answer will be minus 75. Students, now question number 3rd. Evaluate 1 upon 3 plus 3 upon 4 is in one bracket, then multiply 6 upon 5 plus 2 upon 3. Students, here two brackets are given and between them multiplication sign is given. So as you know, when bracket is given in the question, first we are solving bracket. First I will solve this bracket and this bracket together I will solve, and afterwards I will do multiplication. So here students, you can see in first bracket what is the sign between plus sign, and here also plus sign. So as we have done in the addition, we will do same. We will take LCM 3 and 4. The LCM will be here 12. Afterwards, this 12 divide by 3, your answer will be 4. 4 multiply 1, 4. Then 12 divide by 4. 4 3s are 12. Then 3 3s are 9 will come here. Then as it is multiplication sign, here LCM will be 15. The LCM of 5 and 3, it will be 15. Now 15 divided by 5. 5 3s are 15. Then 3 multiply 6, then 18. Now plus 15 divided by 3. 3 5s are 15. Then 5 multiply by 2. This will be 10. Now we will do addition. 9 plus 4. This will be 13 upon 12. Then multiply. Now you can remove bracket. Now 18 plus 10. It will be 28 upon 15. Students, now you can see 12 and 28. Both are coming in 4's table. 4 3s are 12 and 4 7s are 28. Now students, 13 multiply by 7 upside and downside 3 multiply by 15. 13 7s are 91 and 15 3s are 45. This is your answer, student. So again I am explaining what I did. Separately I solved both the bracket and afterwards I did multiplication. I used cutting method and then I got my answer. Students, now part 2nd of question number 3rd. 2 upon 5 multiply minus 10 upon 7 in one bracket, then plus minus 7 upon 2 plus minus 3 upon 5 is in another bracket. You can see students, here there is multiplication sign in first bracket and here positive plus sign, and between both the bracket again plus sign. So according to the sign, students, we will operate. So first I am solving first bracket. Here students, multiplication sign is given, so you can use cutting method. 5 1s are 5, here 5 2s are 10 and this 2 will come with minus sign. Now 2 multiply minus 2, it will be minus 4 upon 7. This bracket, students, we have solved. Now plus sign will come. Here students, you can see no multiplication sign is there, only plus sign is there. So what we will do, we will make denominator same, means we will take LCM. Then LCM of 5 and 2 will be 10. 10 is your LCM. Now again 10 divided by 2, this is 5. Now 5 multiply by 7, this is 35 and this minus sign will come as it is. Now this plus and minus will be minus. Again 10 divided by 5, 5 2s are 10, then 2 multiply by 3, it will be 6. 6. Now students, again this is already we have solved, minus 4 upon 7. Then here plus, minus and minus will be plus. 35 and 6, when you will add, it will be 41 upon 10 with minus sign, because 35 is the greater number, is having minus sign. Now students, plus and minus is minus. So what will come in next step? Minus 4 upon 7, then minus 41 upon 10. Now students, again denominators are different, so we will take LCM. Now student, here I am doing the solution. LCM of 7 and 10 will be 70. Now same, 70 divided by 7, it will be 10. 10 multiplied by 4, it will be 40 with minus sign. Then this minus sign will be as it is. Now 70 divided by 10, it will be 7. 7 multiplied by 41, it will be 287. Now student, this 70 will be as it is. Now minus and minus will be plus. 287 plus 40, it will be 327 with minus sign, because here 287 is greater number, is having minus sign. So student, this will be your final answer, 327 minus 327 upon 70. So students, here today in exercise 4.4 we have done question 1, 2, 3, and today you will do these questions with all the parts in your maths register. In our next class we will complete exercise 4.4. Okay students, thank you and have a nice day all.